Nak kena mana apa pula. Kita dah sampai KLIA pagi ni. Pagi buta betul. Sikit perut lah. Lapar. Ada orang hantar hari ni. Kata-kata semangat. Itu je kata-kata aku. Aku dah ajak kau pergi skucing. Kau yang macam kamu lagi. Kita nak share in bag sekejap. Hah? Aku nak hantar kau kat bawah apa? Tak, aku kan kan nak pergi makan dulu. Kan nak pergi makan dulu. Ikut ambil escalator. Ingat escalator dekat Gloria Jeans tu. Kalau kau menangis, aku tak boleh tolong lah.
Okay, so nak nampal luggage.
Tolong. Passenger copy, keep this portion. Memang aku tak boleh kerja airport lah, cerita je.
Tak, Asia punya senang.
Memang tak boleh kerja airport.
Kat belakang ni letak. Dah tak boleh pergi. Balik.
Kita nak travel seorang, kita tak reti. Aku memang tak kata travel seorang, lagi-lagi kena naik kapal terbang. Naik pas pun aku bodoh, apa lagi naik kapal terbang. Memang ceritanya lagi bodoh lah, terbang tak mana-mana pergi. Yang penting muka aku melawak. Aku tak pernah terbang seorang. Aku kalau terbang mesti ramai-ramai. Kalau seorang-seorang, ramaknya aku melalak kat sini, merentan kat sini.
Bang.
Body ni sekarang. We arrive in Miri. Yay! Thank you. So we already arrived in Miri. But I hope the clearance is not that lama. Well, actually, this is my very first time in Miri, so I'm kind of excited. We're gonna be on that plane tomorrow, but I decided to just stay in Miri for like one night. Because currently I'm waiting for my luggage. For now, I cannot see lagi. I'm just wondering what's my luggage. The airport is kind of cute though. We're waiting our Grab. It's 4 minutes away. We need to go to the hotel first and see whether we can check in first or not. We checked in already. Cozy. I tak sabar nak tengok the bilik macam mana. We're at level 9 now. And the hotel looks good. You see? Looks fancy. Sekarang kita dah berada di dalam bilik. Kita nak berjalan-jalan. Okay, kita buat room tour lah. Okay, kita dah berada di 908. Nanti hari keberapa di sini pun sama juga, kita akan duduk hotel ni. Sini ada sejadah. Dan toilet. Okay. Kita ada bathtub. Sini pun ada bathtub lah. Macam biasa lah. Dental, whatever. Okay lah. Kita orang just nak stay yang biasa-biasa je. Kita ada fridge, cawan, tea, complimentary tea, coffee, whatever, air, and TV, working desk, health food reflexology center, view pool. Tapi pool dia nampak macam asal pool dia nampak macam hijau. Okay, itu saja. Kita orang nak change our outfit and then nak pergi jalan ke town and then go get some lunch. And I'm quite surprised we can actually like check in quite early. 12 PM. It's 12:15 now. So I thought we need to wait like 2 or 3 PM only we got our room, but yeah, we got it. So now we're going out. I'm sharing makanan because it's 12 PM, 12:30. I'm hungry, so kita orang jalan-jalan mencari makan. Tak tahu nak pergi mana. Jalan, nampak kedai makan. Kalau nampak macam sedap, kita makan. Wow, ada kereta lah atas tu. Gempak. Crazy. Itulah pasal jalan tengah panas dan pakai baju hitam. Both of us are wearing black today. So we're here at Muara Restaurant, is it? Muara Restaurant. We're here. Dalam kan sejuk. Sejuk sikit. Berkicap dan ni panas. So saya order apa? Apa nama lalapan? Actually what is lalapan? So I ordered lalapan sotong. Sedap kot, insyaAllah. So inilah rupa dia, nasi lalapan. Dia sama macam nasi penyet je, cuma dia ada tambahan ulam ni. Ni biasa lah, but this one is different. Kita cuba apa rasa dia. We're done with food. It's restaurant Muara. Sorry, we're stuffed. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I like the food actually. The lalapan was great. 8 per 10.
Yelah, nasi lalapan
8. The sambal is good. It tastes different lah from like normal ayam penyet. It tastes like macam apa tu? Sambal belacan sebenarnya. Because you can still smell the sambal punya bau dekat tangan after like you makan. So yeah, and then it comes with like different kind of ulam, and you can choose like what kind of protein that you want. And then I ordered like another cup of air, which is apa 380, but that 380 is like so-so je. Because I feel like macam dekat KL, kedai Dayang Sarawak tu dia punya 380 lagi better. Okay, next stop, I tak tahu nak pergi mana. So we're just gonna jalan-jalan again. And then if we nampak any cendol stall, maybe we can just like, have a cendol. Ini pun interesting juga because they have like wireless walk. Dekat sini, tempat ni sepanjang panjang wireless walk ni ada wifi free. Have like this kind of technology yang I don't know lah, maybe I jalan cross the road, so they have like wave for green man. See? Ha? Kedai cendol. And then kita orang duduk dekat Chagi. Tak ada tempat lain ya. Chagi juga yang dicarinya. Padahal baru makan, minum lagi. Lagi cendol. Lepas kita sama. Lepas tu bila lagi cendol?
balik dari sana lah.
No ni, kecil makan je. Memang aku bertambah lah apa? Berat ya. Balik ni. This place is quite nice actually. Oh, Zeus. After like walk, suddenly sampai dekat apa nama tempat ni? Taman Muhibah. I don't have any idea what. I think it's like macam taman untuk lepak-lepak, duduk-duduk. Right?
Itu sape.
Taman Muhibah. Apa yang tak pakai kasut?
Masih lagi dia cari ayam lagi.
Asal tak pakai kasut?
Senggolan. Dia memang yang tak pakai kasut.
Taman Muhibah. Yang terakhir buta nak pergi pasar apa benda. Wah, tengok tu ada buat belacan. Tengok buat belacan. Belacan macam bau tangan aku. Sama bau.
Jangan main belacan tu famous tau.
Sama. Bang. Cendol break. Macam kena bakar. Mana cendol dia?
Special.
Mana cendol dia?
Jauh lah. Kat bawah.
Ada hijau-hijau mana? Oh ada. Ya. Oh, I got sagu lah. kita. Kencing manis is screaming. Kita on the way balik ke bilik. Nampak tak muka aku ni dah hitam. So, kita akan pergi mall kejap nak cari barang sikit. Dan boleh kita balik hotel lah. Anis Utara. So just got back from Everrise and bought a few things. It looks like a Jaya Grocer but it's not Jaya. But it's Everrise. Bang! Tiba-tiba dah malam. Bisingnya. Kita nak pergi share makan jap. Pergi mall. Tadi ada problem sikit dengan hotel. We have to switch room. Bang! So hari ni kita makan dekat depan. Apa nama tadi? Wi-Fi?
Wireless Walk.
Wireless Walk. Dekat betul depan Permaisuri Imperial City ni. Kita orang keluar masuk mall hari ni petang ni. Sebab panas, jalan jauh-jauh kan.
Jalan kaki.
Yeah. And then we ordered food today like mi goreng. Kita tengok lah dengan ayam bakar madu whatever tu yang kat sana tu. Sekejap lagi nak pack untuk pergi ke flight seterusnya esok. Dengan bilik tadi ada problem. Tak ada memang recording. Nak kena marah baru gerak. Sabar je lah. Kita tak tahulah. Ini tak tahu. Ini sos peanut kot.
Dan kacang. Saja.
Oh, ada je.
Boleh.
Ni sos apa?
Tu sosnya.
Jatuh dari KL. Kami orang situ.
Sosnya diolah macam ada limau, ada
Oh, okay. So I ordered Maggi goreng basah. Mi goreng basah. So this is what it looks like lah, apparently. So it looks like mi apa? Mi lakna. But I also memang nak tengok because Jeffrey kata memang akan berkuah mi gorengnya, so memang saja nak try. Yeah. Tapi it's different lah from the one yang the reference, but still okay lah. But okay lah, not bad. I would say the average price for Miri sama je macam dengan KL. Nothing different. So because at first I feel like macam it's a bit like maybe a bit murah a bit, but it's the same. Nah.
Unless kalau kau makan mi kolok murah lah.
Yeah, unless I eat mi kolok or something like very like simple, then I think it only murah lah. But if you eat like lalapan, like some more it's sotong, but that lalapan sotong is quite okay for me lah. It's like 20 ringgit you get like big sotong.
Yeah. And then the lalapan keli pun lagi wow.
Yeah, and for the lalapan
setengah.
Yeah, the lalapan keli, Jeffrey got like 1.5 like of the ikan, and it's very big. Like I would say it's like almost like half of my hand. Like panjang ikan tu. It's very big.
Makan lauk ikan keli half that one only the finish nasi. The other half just makan begitu je. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. So I think our lunch that day 60 ringgit. Worth it lah. 60 ringgit. So, nampak je. And then jalan gelap-gelap je. Entah mana-mana lah kita ni jalan. Jalan malam-malam. I mean it's better than petang tadi lah, because petang tadi is like very hot. Like scorching hot. Like pukul 2.30 petang dik nak kalau jalan. Tak terbakar kulit kau. Terbakar lah dik kulit kau. Back in Muar it's like very Tanjung kind of vibe, you know. But this one tak ada air lah. But Tanjung is like very near to the sungai, so they can chill. Yeah, sea breeze malam-malam tu is very best lah. Yeah. Strolling in the park in the middle of the night. Yeah, that's me. Kita dah tukar bilik ya actually. Daripada level 9 yang view cantik nak mampus tadi.
Boleh tengok nombor tu. Tak boleh tengok dah.
Tiba-tiba tukar 802 sebab lemban. Dapat pula bilik ni. Okey lah lagi tak ada orang kata. Aku dah penat ni. Nak gambar baju lagi. Tengok air dia. Sepenat air dia. Bang. We arrived in Miri. Georgie.
Viola yang itu enggak.
Entrance. This one in entrance